In reality, as a patient, and as a patient who has utilized CAR-T previously, including the patients in close proximity to me, there exist varying opinions regarding how CAR-T is produced, whether there is quality assurance, and the reasons behind the high cost of this product. So with these questions in mind, I went to visit these factories. First of all of these factories adopt international standards, the same standards used by pharmaceutical companies, and the equipment is all imported from abroad. The company I observed this year is named Reindeer Biology. After observing reindeer biology, I was profoundly moved because I am extremely familiar with reindeer biology. In 2017, while I was performing card withdrawal, there were patients surrounding me who had utilized Reindeer's products, and this particular patient has been using them for a duration of 5 years at present. So when he did it, his condition at that time was very bad, and it was very difficult to use other second methods. At this time, Professor Li Chunrui from the Hematology Department of Tongji Hospital recommended the BCMA all-staff card of Reindeer to this patient. After this patient used it, the toxic side effects at that time were very small, and there were not many side effects. And a month later, because he had multiple myeloma, his health condition deteriorated further. After 1 month, he underwent a follow-up examination and had already entered deep pressure, and he didn't achieve complete deep pressure throughout the 2 or 3 years of treatment before. So this Reindeer's card, to be completely honest, in my humble opinion, is an enormous hit, and the first patient has such a profound effect that it is truly remarkable. I'm interested in this factory. What's it like? At the beginning of this year, I was invited by Teacher Wang to join their 6-year anniversary celebration. According to our request, the factory arranged for us to visit the production situation. The first floor is a purification area. What is a purification area? Because this card has very high requirements for the environment, personnel need to go through a series of processes, such as changing clothes and disinfection, before they can enter the second stage, which is going upstairs. After entering the second floor, we visited his production processes, things he produced, and saw big jars on the third floor, used to culture cells, pollen stem cells. Those devices, including the ones here for cell cultivation, are actually very crucial. Its quality control requirements are very high. I recall a staff member back then. He informed me about his daily post-work pressure and constant worry for the following day. This is what I cultivated, whether the cells I raised can appreciate and reach a quality similar to that of a patient's return. So in this regard, I believe that Shu Nu has performed exceptionally well, and it is being closely monitored by the Drug Administration and several quality inspection departments over the long term. Quality control is done well, in line with specifications. Other trial institutions follow national pharmaceutical standards, carry out management. Combining these 3 institutions and other enterprises I've seen enhances collaboration and adherence to regulations. I think that Chinese coffee companies should have guaranteed production quality.